Salamat kay Jesus, sa nagkawalikat iya. Kasamos sa di ko alondu, kabengugi na kamarang, kaya salamat kay Jesus, kay Jesus, Turana, kaya salamat kay Jesus, singa kena, kaya salamat kay Jesus, sa kaya ang natikot-tikong akleko, ang nagkamarang, kaya salamat kay Jesus, kay Jesus, Urana, kaya salamat kay Jesus,
both chairman, members of the board, senior management, and staff. Thank you very much for this very simple but meaningful ceremony that we've had. When the chairman asked me for a time to be set aside for me to meet with you, I didn't know what it was for. I thought it was just a courtesy call, and I would have expected a courtesy call. Because as minister responsible for various public enterprises, it is my duty to be aware and to make known what has been made known to me, to the cabinet of Fiji and to the people, what these public enterprises have been doing or are doing. And I thought it was going to be that, where you come to brief me on the functionings of FBC. And he made it clearer later on that it was a Matanigasau, and I said, for what? Who did what to whom and with what? And I said, well, there may be some decisions that were made in the past that had probably hurt you. Well, that's the nature of government. Not everything people do will meet with the approval of the leaders. But as long as the workers are at peace knowing that they have done what they were set up to do. I do not know whether any of you have ever done that. Inwardly, some of you may have. And some of you may have even realized that you were doing something that was not giving you peace. You probably suggested something which was overruled, and you were told to do something that you did not agree with. But you shouldn't have worried. You shouldn't have taken the trouble of presenting the Matanigasau. As you know, I was a soldier. And for soldiers who are forced into situations that you might have found yourselves in, for us there was a very simple philosophy. Ours is not to reason why, ours is but to do or die. You may think what you've been told to do is wrong. You may say to your couple, "Kula, tango sa wala." You know what the couple would say to you? "Kita nga, at nga medak." That's why we took it as a founding thought, as a former military man. Mine is not to reason why. Mine is just to do or die. I do as I'm told. I kill the other person or I get killed. You do what you have to do or you run down with the rest of your mates. And if you think that it's out of place to break from an address you're making to a very important board and management of a very important public enterprise, to look after a little baby girl like this, it's not out of place. This is what life is all about. Okay? So thank you for coming. You probably will never understand what we're doing. Probably just think that Papa, I live with a friend. Okay? That's correct. These are my friends. Some of them may not call me friends, but after what we did today, we're now all friends. So thank you all very much. Go back, be at peace, do what you're supposed to do, okay? And I'm looking forward to working with you, and hopefully we'll all enjoy the great benefits that the enterprise has for you, and also Fiji will be better informed and will be informed by people who are free to say what they want to say, because it's the right thing to say, it is the truth, and we're not in court, but the whole truth and nothing but the truth. It is the truth until somebody says to you, hey, that's not quite correct. It may not be correct, but it's still the truth. You correct it, right? So good luck, enjoy your work, and cooperate with one another, and hopefully the board will direct you in the right direction for maximum profit, maximum benefit for the country.
Dia sama boleh cuma nak terai buat datang buat turang. Buat datang buat turang sa